Okay, so I just stumbled upon this desktop launcher called Vicinae, and it's built with C++ and Qt. Super interesting, right?
Wait, C++ and Qt. That's not your usual tech stack for launchers. Usually, they stick to Electron or similar.
Exactly, but this one seems to be making waves. It promises a keyboard-first access to system actions. I mean, how cool is that?
That's appealing for power users. But I wonder if the performance really lives up to that promise. Isn't that a big claim?
Totally, it sounds like a bold move. The key feature is it allows fast access without the overhead, which is huge. Have you ever felt that lag with launchers?
Oh, for sure. It can be frustrating waiting for an app to load. So vicinae claims to solve that by being lightweight.
Yes, plus it has built-in modules like file indexing with full-text search. This could really streamline workflows, right?
File indexing is a game changer. But how efficient can that be if you have millions of files? We should be careful there.
Good point. Their documentation mentions some features might not work in certain environments. This raises a red flag for sure.
True, it could limit adoption for people on different platforms. I mean, if features are unstable, who's going to commit?
Right, and the smart emoji picker sounds fun, but is it really necessary compared to regular text search?
Well, depending on user needs, it might add a layer of efficiency. But I wonder if that's an overcomplication for some.
That's a fair worry. Too many features could overwhelm some users. What do you think about that inline calculator?
Inline calculators are handy. But again, if it adds to the interface complexity, it might not be as usable as intended.
Yeah, I can see that. They also have an encrypted clipboard history tracker. Privacy-wise, that seems important.
Definitely interesting, but we should question how secure it really is. What if the encryption isn't strong enough?
Exactly, the security aspect is huge. Users might forgo convenience if they feel their data isn't safe enough.
And they even included a theming system. That can be nice, but isn't that sometimes just fluff?
It can be right, design matters, but if it's not user-friendly, what's the point? But I like options.
Options are great, but only if they're functional. I'm curious how easy it is to customize themes.
Good call. If they made that process simple, it could be a significant advantage. What about the raycast compatibility?
Ah, that's fascinating. They mention reusing raycast extensions, but how compatible is that really?
Yeah, they caution about missing APIs. This could be a stumbling block for those who rely on those extensions.
Exactly, and if improvements are still in progress, it may deter early adopters. It's a balancing act.
For sure, it's like they're trying to straddle the line between innovation and stability. Kind of risky.
Very risky. Users may love the promise but could feel let down by bugs. It's a tough sell.
Agreed. I guess time will tell if vicinae can truly carve out its niche in the crowded launcher market.
Absolutely. I'm curious to see if they can deliver on their promises and how users respond.
So what do you think is the biggest challenge for vicinae moving forward?
I think it's all about user experience. They need to ensure that features enhance usability rather than complicate it.
Right, simplicity is key. They have to balance that with being feature-rich, which is tricky.
Exactly. And maintaining strong performance across varied environments will be essential for its longevity.
Well, with all these insights, it has me questioning my current setup. People might want to keep an eye on this.
Definitely. It feels like vicinae could redefine how we think about desktop launchers, or at least it could shake things up.
Right, it'll be interesting to see how it evolves. I love these tech discussions. There's always so much to uncover.
Agreed. Let's keep following up on vicinae and see where it goes from here. Such a fascinating topic.